up, guys? Today is Ruben Johnson once again, and today I'm back in episode 3 of my Honda Street build. Okay, guys, so where we lived in the last episode, if you never watched the episode 1 and episode 2, please go down in the description. I'm gonna leave the episode series in the description. You're gonna follow step by step. Today we are in the episode 3, and I'm gonna leave the episode 1 and episode 2 in the description of the video. So guys, this is the Honda Street build. So guys, okay, the last time we stopped from the neck, right? Okay guys, so this is where we're gonna start. So today we're not gonna start from the neck anymore, but we're gonna come there soon. We're gonna start from the fork and to fixing up the bigger tires. Okay guys, so if you are in episode 2, if you watch up the episode 2, that means you're gonna be understanding what I'm saying right now. So if you never watched the episode, you're gonna be really confusing. So please go back and watch up the episode 2 and episode 1. Okay, so guys, we're gonna be doing some spacing right there and right there, because you know we wide this up too. This back fork, I cut it right there. I don't know if this shows in the camera. You can see I cut it right there, and I wide it up so it's not gonna rhyme right there. You understand? So we're gonna be doing some spacing right there. But first things first, we're gonna mount the tire. Okay guys, so take a look at the build. The way I'm mounting the tire right now. So take a look. Now this is where you're gonna be targeting something. I don't know why my table is blocking you, but you're gonna target this back to be straight. You understand what I'm saying? You make sure this thing got straight. If you don't put it straight, this is where you're gonna lose everything. But when you get a job done, it's not gonna look pretty. If the thing is done being straight, your job not gonna be clean. You know, I'm a neat person, so I want every of my thing to be neat. You're gonna look up for your dog so that you can feel this. Just kidding. Remember, I say you should use this pipe for spaces, but when it came to this place, you don't want to use this pipe. This is a 19 hole, which we don't want to drill this to 19, so you're gonna use those to cut off spaces for here. Those things are very simple to get. Let me show you where you can get one of those. Just pick up a Honda Cup tire and boost up the boris, and boom, you get those. Okay, I got my mark to cut those things. I'm not gonna tell you the length I want to cut this, because we are not gonna put the same tires and we're not gonna measure it the same. You're gonna cut it your own way, but make sure you use those things that are very strong. Yeah. Okay guys, now just put all the spaces. Take a look at the bike, guys. Okay, I put up the spacers, and I do everything. I just put all the front tires and back. Okay, so take a look at the bike, guys. Oh, it look nice. Look at the front, guys, at this level. And now we are going to face off the shock. I do all the spacer things now. So look at the shock level. This is how I keep it. I got my little space here, because there was a bike I built. I never do this where when I'm done with the job, I realized I was having problem of the tire touching the body when I hit up a big time gallop. So the tire gonna touch on the body. So this time I don't want that mistake to do. I don't want to have that mistake again. So today we are gonna be causing up the shock, because this shock you can just get it from the market that can match your bike. But for me here in Nigeria, this shock is being very difficult to get the one I need. I just love this one, so I'm gonna customize the down. Okay guys, let's continue with the neck. Now is the neck stuff. Of course, I see some guys do this in a different way, but today I'll bring out another idea. That's why you see I'm cutting this like this, by bringing in another tube and tie them here. Just wait and here, tie them here and here, and then now we're gonna bring up the neck. Boom. You see? Then we're gonna wet it up, down. You see? So that we're gonna have a complete modified neck. That's awesome. Of course, I was planning by using back this thing, but for now what we're gonna do with this, remove them to the trash and then bring up new neck. Okay. Up like that, and this will look very pretty. After I got the job done, I will dress this up, file it up to look very smooth. Okay guys, the neck, I got the neck done, and you see the part, very nice. So we're gonna do something like this. You see, whoa, look nice. Okay guys, take a look at this. I just got this thing done. Look pretty. Looks so pretty. See? Okay. And now I'll fix the neck. Oh, take a look at this sheet, man. Take a look at the sheet. This look pretty good. Take a look at this. Take a look at this bike. Oh my god, this is looking good. Okay, so now we're gonna do something in this neck. You see, there is something I really want to do with this. I'm wearing it repeatedly because this is the neck. You know, the Honda company used to do Honda necks very strong. When it came to the Fox neck, this handle, they do it very strong, and they do this repeatedly. Like as you can see, they put this is 1 mm plus this is 1 mm plus this, which make it very strong. But for me I'm taking this to the trash like that, and then I'm putting only this. So I'm gonna wet it to very strong so that you're not gonna have issues. So if anytime you are using this, make sure it's very strong, because this is the only thing that is holding the neck. Okay, so now I want to do some little wedding here to make it really very strong. Jam this up with this kind of way.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg. Take a look at this shit, guys. It looks very pretty, guys. Take a look. Let me do a B-roll. Okay guys, remember I told you about the stopper for the brake stopper, front brake stopper? I'm gonna start doing it right now. I don't know whether this shows in the camera still. If you watch up the episode 1, you're gonna see you hear me talk of this brake stopper. Okay, today now I wanna do this stuff right there. I wanna do it right there. I wanna find something to do all the brake stopper because it's very necessary. So without further ado, let's get started. For that stopper, I wanna use this rod. Hang up from the vise. You are not gonna call the same with me. Depends the bigger your tire is, the how you wide the fork up. That's how you're gonna do this this brake stopper on your length. Do it your own way, but you can use the same iron because it's very strong. This spindle is very strong, so you can do it the same way. Yes, as you can see, we are gonna cut this right there. We're gonna cut it right there, like that. See that? Okay, this is what it looks like. You can see. Now I got the job done. Now I'm gonna use the filing machine to dress this up to look very good. So no one gonna notice that they wear this up. Because you see, if you are doing things like this, you need to do it very neat, so someone will not notice that this thing goes like a workshop homemade. Alright, I'm gonna do it in the program. That's how I do my way. Okay, now let's do that. And that problem solved. Okay, now let's go to the next level of tank. Now this is tank. I'll go right there, and that's awesome, and that's good. And I'm gonna put my daughter on the bike, and then my daughter gonna ride the bike. Like that. This is a bureau. Hey, look at this shit, man. It look pretty good, nigga. It look very nice. I'm gonna take my daughter off on the bike. Today I'm done with the episode 3. So guys, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to watch up more videos and the episode 4. So guys, subscribe to the channel. Subscription is totally free. Subscribe, so we're gonna move the channel forward, and I'm gonna be giving you quick updates from the Honda Cup build series. I'm coming out with the episode 4 very soon. And this is the end of episode 3, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Peace.